Kama uko hapo na unaendesha gari bila dashcam, unakosea sana. I have these, they are back in stock, zilikuwa zimeisha. This actually was one of the best selling dashcam we have ever had. This is 3 channel, 3 in 1. That means this dashcam ina record front. This is the front. This is also the front microphone. I don't know whether it can zoom. Yeah, that is the front microphone. This one pia ina record inside. Inside in hii camera, that is inside the car. It has LCD display hapa. It has the buttons here for the settings na kila kitu, and it comes with a reverse camera. This is a reverse camera, and it also ina record nyuma, rear recording. That means ina record nyuma as you drive, and it can also act as a reverse camera. Kuna mtu maybe atauliza how does it work as a reverse camera? So what you do, you basically use this connection. Let me show you. Kwa wale wenye hawakuji tuwafanyie installation, you use this cable. Unaona this red cable? Yes, this phone yawa. It's even focusing on a cable. You see this cable? Hii cable ya red ndo una connect kwa reverse tire yako. So hii dashcam tunakupea na 4K only. We are located in Kitengela, number on bio to order.